Sit straight, please. Eyes on the board and listen. Okay, so before we begin with the review today about graph, lines, figures, and other. So first, you will read vocabulary. Alright, everybody, sit straight. Eyes on the board. All together. Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Calculation.
Calculation.
Divide.
Divide.
Arrange.
Orange.
South.
South.
East.
East.
West.
West.
Igneous.
Igneous.
Sedimentary. Metamorphic. Louder please. Emotion. Frighten. Reaction. Seek. What is this? Wait. Never mind this one. I will confirm this one with the teacher. Okay. Everybody should. Should. Again. Next, everybody all together once again. Calculation. Arrange. South. East. West. Igneous. Sedimentary. Metamorphic. Emotion. Frighten. Reaction. Seek. Should. Okay, everybody, once again, sit straight. Okay, so next review is about lines, figures, and angles. Alright, so once again, first is a line. What is a line? Who can remember? What is a line? Anyone can remember what is a line? A line is invisible and a line has no length and no width, right? So a line is invisible and a line has no length and no width. Alright, so there are different types of lines. Okay, anyone? Give me one example of different types of lines. Line. Again? Again? Points. Points is not a line. Straight line. Very good. Alright, straight line. Everybody all together. Straight line. Now, what is a straight line? Straight line, a line with 2 points. A straight line is a line with an arrow and also an arrow at the other end. Right? So this is a straight line. What else? Again? Yes, a ray. Everybody all together. Ray. Everybody all together. Ray. Okay, what is a ray? A ray is a line with a point and an arrow at the other end. What else? Line segment. Very good. So what is a line segment?
A line with a 2 point.
Okay, very good. A line with a point and a point at the other end. Okay, so a line with a half of both points, both ends. Sorry, rather points at both ends. What else? Example of line. How about this one? Two words. The first letter start with letter. First word start with letter P. And of course, second word start with L.
Parallel.
Again?
Parallel.
Yes, parallel. Everybody all together. Parallel lines.
Parallel line.
Everybody all together. Parallel lines.
Parallel line.
Okay, once again, everybody, sit straight. Arms on your desk. Put your arms on top of your desk. Okay, once again, parallel lines.
Parallel line.
So a parallel lines, two lines with the same distance apart. That is a parallel lines. Okay, one more. One more. How about this one? Start with letter D. Next is I. Yes. Diagonal. Everybody all together. Diagonal.
Diagonal.
So a diagonal is a line that start from the corner or goes from corner to the opposite corner. Okay, so once again, everybody all together. Straight line.
Straight line.
Ray.
Line segment.
Parallel lines.
Diagonal.
Alright, so these are the different types of lines. So don't forget this one, okay? So please try to remember the different types of lines. So once again, straight line, a line with an arrow and also an arrow at the other end. Ray, a line with a point and an arrow at the other end. Line segment, a line with a point and also a point at the other end. Parallel lines, lines with the same distance apart, and diagonal line or diagonal lines that goes from one corner to the opposite corner. Right? Any questions so far? No question? Okay, next. Next is everybody all together. Angle. Angle. Okay, what is an angle?
The space between two meeting lines.
Okay, the space between two meeting lines. Say for example this one. Okay, so right here in between, that is the angle. Alright, so the space between two meeting lines. And also there are different types of angles. Can you remember what are the different types of angles?
I know in Thai, I don't know in English.
Yes, try to remember. Okay, first is this one. What is it? This is what you call, start with letter R. Right.
Right angle.
Yes, right angle. Everybody all together, right angle.
Right angle.
So, go over there. Okay, what is a right angle? A right angle is
90.
always,
Always 90.
yes, always 90 degrees. Okay? So remember this one, right? So a right angle is always 90 degrees. An angle of always 90 degrees. Another one. Another example of an angle.
180.
What is it? It's Everybody, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
So an obtuse angle is more than,
90 degrees.
okay, more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So that is obtuse angles. What else? How about less than 90 degrees?
80. Acute.
Less than 90 degrees. Again?
Acute.
Okay, so an acute
Angle.
okay, everybody all together. Acute angle.
Acute angle.
So, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Now, how about 180 degrees? What do you call that angle?
After the straight line. Straight angle.
Yes. Everybody all together. Straight angle.
Straight angle.
Everybody, straight angle.
Straight angle.
Now, a straight angle is always 180 degrees. Right? Okay, any questions so far? What else? So we have right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, straight angle. Now, how about an angle of
200.
more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees? Start with letter R. Everybody reflex angle. Everybody reflex angle. Reflex. Okay, this one is L, right? L-I. Okay, so these are the different types of angles. Okay, so the same with the different types of lines. Okay, don't forget also this one, different types of angles. Right? So because this one included in your exam, that will be next week. Right? Your midterm exam will be next week. So once again, 90 degrees. Everybody, right angle. More than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. Okay, less than 90 degrees. Acute angle. 180 degrees. Straight angle. More than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees. Okay, reflex angle. Alright, so these are the different types of angles. So next is figure. Alright? Now, what are the different types of figure? So once again, what is a figure, everybody? A figure is the form or shape of something. Alright, so the form or shape of something. Now, give me an example of a figure. Not a solid, flat figure. Again? Circle. Yeah, a circle. Again? Okay, a rectangle. Like this. What else? Oval. Triangle. And a square. Now maybe you're asking, teacher, why circle is so big and oval, rectangle, square and triangle too small? Okay, now because also included in your review today about the different parts of a circle. So this one is already in your book, right?
Yes.
The last part of your book, the lesson about lines, figures, and angles. Alright, now can you remember what are the different types of, or the different parts rather, of a circle? The point here in the middle, what do you call this one?
Point.
Now, yes, it's a point, but in a circle, what is the name for this one?
A little circle.
A little circle. Start with letter C.
Circle.
Circle. Next letter is E.
Center.
Again?
Center.
Yes, center. We need to say center in the middle of the circle. Alright, now how about this part here? The distance around the circle. This one is a long way. Start again with letter C. Next is I. R. Now C. U. M. Now everybody, circumference. Alright, so the distance around the circle is called circumference. Alright, so the last one is the line from the center going to the circumference of the circle. What do you call this one? Now start with letter R. Next is A. D. I. U. What is the last letter? Yes. Okay, everybody. Radius. Radius. Alright, so these are the different parts of a circle. So the point in the middle, everybody. Center. Alright, the distance around the circle, everybody. Circumference. And the line from the point to the circumference. Radius. Alright, so once again, we will read all together our review today about altogether 9